Hello everyone friends, at the quarry today I will show you what to do if, when reinstalling the installation, Windows does not find respectively yes, any drive. For this there are two options respectively for solving problems. The first is to install drivers on your motherboard's hard drives, or simply, well, like Intel's rapid storage driver, or update your computer's motherboard. Here are the drivers. To do this, go to the browser, and here we need to install Intel Rapid Storage technology right away. Accordingly, RST driver. But first of all, we install it and immediately go through the installation. Click Yes, install this firewood. Click Next, Accept, click Next. Accordingly, you can, well, here you choose the switch system. This control is Intel RST Premium Mode. You must choose. I choose to stop at ICI. Since I have already done all this, I no longer need it. Click Next. Next. This. Although you can take it. Click Next and the installation is underway. That's it. Well, after installation, restart the computer. I don't need it now. That's it. You can reboot later. If it helps you, then great. If not, then you need to see what kind of motherboard you have. And you need to write something like a driver for, well, there is a motherboard on ASUS, and write the name. And accordingly write to come in. That's it. And here you have stupid drivers. Drivers are needed in general. Well, you can update some drivers on the BIOS. They are here. And you can also update the drivers to Windows itself. You can update everything on the chipset and on VGA and LAN drivers in general. You may also have a driver here not only for audio and VGA, you can also have drivers for storage. They can also be updated. That's all. Well, it was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.